severe thunderstorm watch number 224 remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time Friday, and now includes the following counties: Comal and Guadalupe. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Caldwell County, southeastern Hays County, north central Guadalupe County, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near San Marcos, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and softball-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include San Marcos, Kyle, Lockhart, Wimberley, Martindale, Ulen, Niederwald, Staples, Zorn, Mountain City, San Marcos Regional Airport, Maxwell, Reedville, Redwood, and Hays City. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Caldwell County, southeastern Hays County, northeastern Guadalupe County, northwestern Gonzales County, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near San Marcos, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tennis ball-size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include San Marcos, Kyle, Lockhart, Luling, Martindale, Ulen, Kingsbury, Niederwald, Staples, Fentress, Palmetto State Park, Brownsboro, Mountain City, Delhi, Joliet, Oak Forest, Belmont, Maxwell, Reedville, and McNeil. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Okay, so it looks like there is... Okay, so there is a tornado warning, severe thunderstorm watch. Okay, so I'm gonna go through the list. Severe thunderstorm watch, tornado warning, severe thunderstorm warning currently, and it's about this time on here is a little bit off, but it is about 8:39 at night, so crazy weather tonight.
County, southeastern Guadalupe County, northeastern Carnes County, Gonzales County, northwestern Lamata County, northeastern Wilson County, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Luling, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
It's like the fourth
Source:
alert.
radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Seguin, Gonzales, Yoakum, Luling, Harrodsville, Shiner, Stockdale, Moulton, Kosciuszko, Nixon, Wilder, Kingsbury, Smiley, Sublime, Cheapside, Hoheim, Palmetto State Park, Pandora, Gillette, and Westhoff. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with this storm will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This thunderstorm is capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter such as an interior room, a bathroom, closet, or basement. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Your what?
Member shoutouts: Stay Puffed 698, They Call Me Cam, Killer Turkish, Trazares J, Jonathan J. Jones, Excitable Tyrannosaurus, Matt. If you want a shoutout and early content, become a member today by clicking the link in the description below.